Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloyti World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you permissions, exceptions and marking block websites pop-up windows in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here and go to the three bar icon, that enter the settings option, as because we will work the privacy and security, and scrolling in below set that we will get the things. So what the things, the thing is, see the block pop-up windows. So there have few options. The thing is, if we first we think the unmarking this thing, see we will not get anything, but sometimes there have some problems. So click this, an exception, we want to block this, remove website or remove all websites. So click this, see the thing has been, and obviously have to keep the change. See, now we are doing the unblocking thing. So in this way we can unmarking this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.